Hello, I'm Nancy from MovinsEdition. MovinsEdition will introduce a unique collaboration padding jumper. It's a new product owned by MovinsEdition, which was introduced on a designer survival program and made headlines. It's Tiffany of Girls' Generation and Il-geun's collaboration padded jacket. This is a reversible product that can be used on both sides with a collaboration padding jumper. MovinsEdition is only one new product, and no matter what, the biggest feature of this product is reversible. It can be used according to mood on both sides. It looks like a baseball jumper or an air jumper. There's a gold zipper and a pocket on one arm. The back is embroidery on the end of the pattern of the number 64. It's luxurious. By the way, what does the number 64 mean? It is a colorful color with a geometric pattern along with a gold sheeper line. It's like the image of the universe. Both sides have pockets to put their hands in. Girls' Generation Tiffany designer Il-geun's signature is on the side of the jumper. Overall, it has a great finish, and MovinsEdition thinks it's a padded jacket that's worth just the collaboration of Girls' Generation's Tiffany and designer Il-geun. Also, there is a merit that can be changed depending on your mood since it's a reversible product. For your information, the padded jacket is not thick, so it looks slim, and the short padded jacket style makes the legs look longer. And most of all, it seems that the new product that MovinsEdition has only one is worth keeping. Bye!